They say you can't build a drift car on a budget. We're here to prove them wrong. We're gonna go head over to Pick and Pull, pick us up a $600 1UZ. Let's get going.
Built with soul, not just steel.
Cars galore. Here we are, guys. Here's our 92 LS 400. Motor is completely here. What do you think, Andrew?
I think she's a runner.
Let's do it. Andrew's down there getting all the mounts and stuff out of the way. We've got the main engine harness pulled through the firewall. You want to make sure you grab your computer. So, got the computer out and the main harness pulled through. Now I'm working on getting all the accessory lines off. We don't need any of the throttle cables, so we're getting all the throttle cables out of the way. And then he's working on, he's got all this all disconnected already. All right, we got, it's hard to see with this glare, but radiator's out, fan's off, so we got enough room to bring this motor forward. Don't forget your brake booster lines, your fuel lines, anything that's connected that you're gonna look for, anything that goes from the motor over to the sides. All this is disconnected along that side, not sure on this side yet. right, so Andrew got all the drive shafts off. He got under here. He got the exhaust cut. He's got basically a tranny completely disconnected except for one bolt. We're gonna yank this all out as one unit and then separate it once it's up and out. And I got all the relay center disconnected here, so we should have our positive and our negative, so we can build our own fuse block. We got superhuman Andrew over here. There it is, you guys.
Could junk out.
It's out. We did have to cut a few more ground wires and stuff that were catching up. Not a big deal there. The tranny we're leaving here, but now that it's out, we can get that tranny off way easier. And then we'll be ready to load this thing up and head on home. If you guys like this kind of content, we also do a lot of behind the scenes content, stuff that doesn't make it to edit on YouTube, over on our Patreon. So go ahead and check us out, link below to our Patreon. Grease on my lens, so it's a little bit foggy. There it is, you guys. Strapped down. Andrew's making sure this thing doesn't go anywhere. All right, you guys, it's all loaded up back there. We're on our way to go grab some lunch, some Dutch Bros coffee. Total time, about what, 2 hours? About 2 hours to get that thing yanked out and loaded on the truck. This is JP Street and Performance, where dream cars are built, not bought. From the first cut to the final pass, we'll catch you on the next project.